Hey guys, Jacob from DataDoe team, and today I want to share with you a newest feature that we just launched inside DataDoe, AI analytic platform for Amazon sellers and vendors. We finally launched the full export functionality, so right now you can export any data from advertisement console or seller central for any account that you connect inside DataDoe, and this is also working for vendors. So let me show you how this works. Right now we are in the exports section, and as soon as we land here, you have two options to pick: create one-time export or schedule recurring export. Below that, you also have one-click template, so you can actually use predefined exports and start exporting your data, either one-time export or recurring export. So let's do one-time export first. If we click it, we'll get this form. We'll have to fill it out. First of all, you will have to select your account. You can pick from any account that you connect to the DataDoe account, then pick the source. Those are all of the data sources that we have inside DataDoe from Amazon Seller Central and Amazon Advertisement Console. For example, I'll pick order line items and I want to have it from this year. We also have advanced functions where you can actually pick different columns, pick the row limits and set up filters, but we will not go to it in this video. And you can pick file type. We have CSV export, JSON, Excel, TSV and XML. I'll pick CSV export and I will just have it emailed to my own email, but you can also email it to all of the account members, so everyone that is using DataDoe on your account. And you can also send emails to all organization members inside your DataDoe. So I'll click here submit, and as you see here we get order line items and the report is in progress. As soon as it's done, I will get the email notification. Alright, and we got the notification. I'll go and click it. Hi there, your export has been successfully generated. Here are the details, and you can download the export result here. Download now. And as you see here, I got my file already downloaded and it all works here. Now, the other thing that we have is recurring export. So this is if you want to get your data every week, every day, or any time period you want. And it works very similar. For example, I want to pick my order line items, and this will constantly update you from your order line items from last 7 days. So for example, if you want to have it every day, and if you go to time period, you also see when it refreshes. For example, this one refreshes every day, excludes today. You can have this month refresh every second day. You can have this year refresh every 5th day. And I will pick this one and I'll have it ready in a CSV. And if I'll have it ready in a CSV, I'll be able to export it also to different tools such as Excel, Google Sheets, or Power BI. I'll click submit. So I got this recurring export already here, as you see, and I already got email. I can go here and check it, and I can also just download it here manually, or I can export it using different tools. So we have different options. We can either export it to Excel, to Google Sheets, to Power BI, or via static URL, meaning if you are building a tool, you can actually just copy this URL and then handle it inside this tool with your custom logic. Now let me show you very quick tutorials on how you can set up each of those integrations. We'll start with the Excel.
Set up Excel integration with your selected recurring export. You go to the Excel integration page and copy the Excel integration using the dedicated button. Then you go to your Excel document, you select data, then get data Power Query. From the menu that shows, you select blank query. Then you need to remove what was inserted here automatically by Excel and paste the formula you copied from DataDoe. Now you click next and wait for the data preview to load. When you are using this first time, you might see a warning here. If you see a security warning here, you don't need to do anything about it at this point. You just click close and load. The data will now load to Excel. In case you've seen a warning before, you will see a confirmation screen now. It is important for you to approve the access to the DataDoe connector from this point, and you will see the data loaded as it is shown now. Excel will automatically refresh the data for you, though if you want to make sure that it is always fresh when you open this document, you go to data, you go to properties, and here you select refresh data when opening the file. This means that Excel will refresh the data automatically when you open the file, meaning that you will have fresh data anytime you want to work with it.
Alright, so this is how you can successfully create your recurring export function and download it automatically to Excel. Now let me show you how you can do it using Google Sheets.
Set up the Google Sheets integration. First, you need to go to the Google Sheets pane of the integrations of your selected recurring export and copy the formula using the dedicated button. Then you go to an empty Google Sheets document, select the first cell and paste the formula here. When you click enter, the Google Sheets will try to load the data. First time you are using DataDoe connector, you may see a warning like this one. Here it is important for you to click Allow Access. When you click Allow Access, then Google Sheets will again try to load the data, and after a few seconds you will see the data loaded into the document. And from this point, you can work with your data.
Alright, so now you have successfully created your recurring export functionality to your Google Sheets. Now let me show you how you can set it up and export data automatically to your Power BI, and on top of that, create custom dashboards to it.
Set up Power BI integration. You go to the Power BI integration of your selected recurring export and you copy the Power BI integration using the dedicated button. Then you go to your Power BI report, you click on Get Data. Here from the list of connectors, you select all and scroll all the way to the bottom where you see blank query. You click Connect. Soon you will see a screen with the query editor. Here you click on Advanced Editor in the query section. You select what was inserted here by default, you delete it, and you paste what you copied before from DataDoe. Now you click Done and wait for the data to load. In case you see a warning like this, you click Edit Credentials and you select Anonymous and you click Connect. This will allow Power BI to download your data from DataDoe. When you see the data preview, you click Close and Apply and wait for Power BI to load your data into the report. Let's now create the first visual. We will create a visual which shows on a pie chart distribution of order statuses in our recent orders. For that, we will select the pie chart. Once it is added, we will make it a little larger. Now we want to see order statuses, so we look for order status. We add the order status, it is added as legend here. We want to count orders per statuses, so we look for Amazon order ID. We have this one here and we drag and drop it to values. And we make sure that it is selected to count this thing because we have multiple order items from the same order IDs. And that's it. We've made a simple chart showing distribution of order statuses in recent orders.
Alright, and you have successfully created your exporting function to Power BI, and hopefully you will be able to build custom dashboards on top of that. And as I mentioned, the last one is static URL. The way it works is pretty much if you copy the URL and paste it inside the browser, the file will be automatically downloaded here, meaning you can actually create custom logic and different apps using programming languages or AI tools. And that was it for this video. Now you can use DataDoe fully as your data platform and use our connectors to export data to your destinations. Just so you know, we also are working right now on a custom BigQuery connector, so you'll be able to get the data to BigQuery and then build custom tools on top of it. For example, Looker Studio dashboards. Please let me know what you think about this video and what features should we add next to DataDoe. And as always, please like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.